Transformers Dark of the Moon. Transformers Dark of the Moon. Uncle P. Released 2007, directed by Bernard Gurley. Couples Retreat. Released 2009, directed by Peter Billingsley. The Goods, Live Hard, Sell Hard. All About Steve. Released 2009, directed by Phil Trail. My Spy. Released 2020, directed by Peter Seville. The Kims of Comedy. Released 2005. Goosebumps 2, Haunted Halloween. Released 2018, directed by Ari Sandel. Furry Vengeance. Furry Vengeance. Boss Level. Released 2019, directed by Joe Carnahan. Wonder Park. Released 2019, directed by David Face. Zookeeper. Knocked Up. Knocked Up. Turbo. Turbo. Despicable Me. Monsters University. Monsters University. Step Brothers. Empire Son. The Hangover Part II. Pain and Gain. Role Models. Pineapple Express. Pineapple Express. The Hangover. The Hangover.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.